as the servants whom you have been pleased to call the performance.
Thiko nini tu thutha wa MCA akaunti ya Murang'a gukorwo magituthurana haro. MCA akaunti ya Nyeri aria mauma mucamanio ni magire na ngucanio ciĩgiĩ utongoria wa kamiti cia bunge ya Nyeri. Kurerikana itanya ria mucamanio uyu riuma kwaririria uria mangieheria MCA eri a guthukio nio Karo Muthoni uria utongoragia kamiti ya ugima wa mwiri na Beth Nyawira uria utongoragia kamiti ya mbeu njithi na mathako.
So anybody saying there was a scuffle, I think that is misinformation. Anybody even going to an extent that there was somebody who was blue, how can the honorable members blow each other? It has not happened in Nyeri. It is not going to happen. Those are news we read from Murang'a. And all the honorable members are here. And nobody can stand and say I received a blow or there was any scuffle. There was none.
Ona kuhana roguo mutongoria wa aria aingi bunge-ini no James Kanyugo ni akanite ati ni kuuma na njukaniriro o yothe kana riendekithia ria kuhamurithia atongoria aya eri.
They have not been removed. They are still members of those committees. And the male members are not removed. We are very accommodative to our ladies. They can attest to that.
Mumbunge wa Embakasi East Babu Owino hamwe na murangiri wake Fanuel Owino ni makinyetio igoti-ini na thitango ya gutharikira David Geshagu mwena wa Westlands guku mucii wa Nairobi tariki 11 mweri uyu turi. Oho Babu Owino ni athitangitwo na thitango ingi igiri iria ni hamwe na kwaria miario miuru. Eri aya ni marekereirio na faini ya muigana wa shiringi 20,000 o mundu. Turi o macio megie igoti-ini, seneta wa guthukio wa hau kabere Joy Gwendo ni akinyetio igoti-ini agithitangirwo wici wa shiringi milioni 2.2. Gwendo arekereirio na muigana wa mbeca farifari shiringi 300,000 kana bodi ya shiringi 600,000 na o ni thutha wa kuregana na thitango ici mbere ya mucirithania Lawrence Mugambi. Cira uyu ukagwetwo ringi tariki 8 mweri wa keri. Kungi nakuo kuri na kimako gicagi-ini gia Kiro County ya Tharaka Nithi thutha wa gikundi kiria kiroikaine na kuiga ugitiri gukorwo gikinyarira aikari a mwena ucio na njira itiganite ta kunyita atumia kia hinya na ciiko ingi cire na magigi. Gikundi giki kiria kioikaine ta kibuibui kana spider gitioikaine kiambiririo no ona gutuika muoroto wakio wari kugacirithio ugitiri kuria gikoretwo gikirutithania wira na chifu na anini ake.
Ume wetu wanatolewa kwa nyumba usiku, wanachapwa sana na wanaumizwa.
Tuletewa askari kushinda watu wanakuja kutuangamiza na kutuiba wakiitwa security. Hiyo kitu tunataka ishe kabisa.
Na hiki kikundi imetengenezwa ni kikundi watu wametengeneza like a cartel ya kukulianga. Na andamawea area sub chief anajua hiki kikundi la kuanga hata kama anaepuka. Area chief anajua kikundi la kuanga.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.